Instagram messages not showing on home or lock screen. Now, if your messages on Instagram are not showing up on either your home screen or your lock screen, then the thing that you can do is you can just try to go ahead and then basically see if you've muted a certain person. So you might have sometimes mute a certain person that is not allowing you to receive their messages or calls, so make sure that's not the case. Second, you have to allow the notifications for Instagram app itself. So come to your profile, tap the three lines from the top right hand side, and from there you can simply wait for a couple of seconds and look for the option called notifications, and make sure you turn on notifications here. And then you can also go to settings on your phone, then go to notifications and simply search for Instagram app, and make sure that you've allowed the notification for the Instagram application in this case. And that way you should be able to go ahead and then basically see if you've allowed Instagram app notifications. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.